looking in the mirror every day, and I had to ask myself some very hard questions. The questions were, how did I get here? What happened? What's going to happen next? The hardest of those questions was, how did I get here? The answer was even more brutal. The answer was, I drove here. I had something to do with the situations and circumstances that had become my life. I drove here, but that was a key because, well, if I drove here, I can drive out of here. Business or life. If I drove here, then I can drive out of here. You cannot change something until you own it.